Item package dimension 3. 6 cm LX 9. 5 cm WX 23. 0 cm H. Item package weight 0. 353 kilograms. Product type auto battery. Country of origin China. Deka 00803 negative battery cable. Top reviews from the United States. High quality replacement cables at a great price. I had a pretty scary meltdown on my '62 Chevy C-10 classic truck the other day. Turns out the positive cable shifted out of place and rubbed the frame, creating a dead short. Melted positive and negative cables pretty badly. I needed some quality, affordable replacements quickly. Recognizing the Deka brand from their great USA-made batteries, I gave these a try. Very pleased. They arrived super quickly, are of high quality and fit perfectly. Highly recommend them, and I am very picky about what goes in my truck.